working with the Heskes method and the Heskes 1 tool on a knee. You'll see now I have the patient and the backside of the knee, and that's what I'm going to work with now. I'm going to work with the hamstring and the calf using the large curve for interstitial fluid. And I'm going to use it 99 times, stroking this area of the hamstring to release the tissue, to release inflammation, and also do that the same here on the calf. What happens is that you have this tissue here crumbling and this tissue here crumbling, creating a drag backwards in the knee, making it strenuous for the bursa in there to have a sufficient space. So once you've done this 99 times here, 99 times here, and of course you can work on the back side of the knee as well, you have to go to the patient and work on the front of the knee. Now you have the patella here, and right here you have like the joint. You can work with the joint around here, and you have a little protrusion here. In acupuncture we call it the cow's nose. And what you do is you're using the index finger protrusion, or you can use the thumb protrusion, or you can use the hook protrusion, what fits you. And there you can, in my case it's the index right here. I support the patient on the backside to equilibrate the pressure that I'm giving, so the patient doesn't need to use his muscles, and I can go in and make subtle release. Again, releasing according to the microbiofascial release of the Heskes method. No wiggling in there, just twisting. And once I've done that a couple of times, I'm going to use the curve to support the interstitial fluid flow to disperse the released